Alright, so what do I have going on today? Well, my brake lights aren't working, and that's why I have this cardboard here so that I can kind of see the reflection of the brake light. And when I depress it, there we go, my center middle comes up, but either of the taillights don't. And if I turn the lights on, then you can see the light bulb itself comes on. There we go. And then I should be seeing a couple brighter dots on the right and left, but I don't. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do. Now, I don't know what the problem is, so I did some research, and I have a new brake pedal switch and some new fuses. So I'm going to do those two first. Probably do the fuses first because those are super easy. If that doesn't do it, then the brake pedal switch. What I learned is the brake light indicator and the horn are on the same circuit. The horn works though, so I don't think it's the fuses, but I'm going to check that anyhow. And given that the bulb works, I don't think it's wiring, but it might be a short somewhere. I really hope it's not a short somewhere. I'm hoping it's that brake pedal switch. And that is up underneath the brake pedal, which I haven't actually gotten in there yet to see what all is going to be needed. Should be interesting though. Alright. Remove the negative battery terminal. That's the one in the back. After I remove the negative, you can get your fuse box open. And that 10 amp fuse, the red one, is what they say is for the one that might go bad. I don't know exactly what it's for, but let's see here. That one. Alright. Pop the new fuse in. I got this kit off Amazon for like $8. Anyhow, that's the old fuse. Put the new one in, reconnected the battery, and spoiler alert, no change. But I didn't break anything, so that's good. Alright, on to the switch. Alright, so let me get this light right. I'm sorry, guys. It's hard to freaking get in here. Okay, ooh, that looks good. Alright, there it is. So when I push the brake in, you see that little white knobby comes out. So it's actuating, but obviously the brakes aren't coming on. So I will be removing that and I'll check it out. Maybe there's some corrosion on some of the connectors. I could even put a voltmeter across it, see if it's working. And yeah, I'll let you all know how it goes. Here it is. It's actually not bad at all getting out. You loosen this, which was a 17 millimeter. There's a clip connector. You just squeeze and it came out pretty easy. And then you just rotate this in place. These threads are bolted into a bracket that's there, so you just kind of rotate the whole assembly until the threads are loose. So there's that. I don't see anything remarkably wrong, but I'm going to throw the new one in and test it anyhow. Could be internal, could be whatever contact this is supposed to be making isn't reliable. Who knows? I hope this is it. It was easy enough and cheap enough. But if it's not this, then I'm moving on to wiring and connectors and grounds and ugh. Wish me luck. Cross your fingers. Whatever you need to do. Alright. That wasn't too bad at all. Let's get that foot down there. Yep. Alright. Good news, everybody. I did some more research. I did not think it was the light bulbs. One, because the tail lights would come on, but the brake lights wouldn't. So they're a dual filament bulb. I did pop them out. I looked at them. They looked great. The filaments were all in place. I was like, it's probably not the bulbs. But I went ahead and went to Walmart, bought a couple new bulbs. They're $5. Takes like 1 second to swap them out. And look at that. So I went through a lot of hassle for nothing. But that's okay. Anyhow, I'm going to take her out for a spin.